Fogatti tankless water heaters provide reliable on-demand hot water, but several common issues can occur. Let's diagnose the most frequent problems you might encounter. When you have no hot water, start with these basic checks. First, ensure the power supply is connected and functioning. Next, verify that gas lines are secure and properly connected. Check all water connections for leaks or loose fittings. Finally, look for any error codes displayed on the unit. Error codes provide specific guidance for troubleshooting. E1 indicates ignition failure, meaning the unit cannot light the gas. E2 suggests false flame detection, where the sensor incorrectly detects a flame. E6 signals an over-temperature condition that requires immediate attention. Code 0 points to outlet temperature probe issues, while code 4 indicates inlet temperature probe problems. For fluctuating temperatures, several solutions can help. Regular descaling removes mineral buildup that affects heating efficiency. Adjusting temperature settings ensures optimal performance. Maintaining adequate water flow prevents temperature variations. Regular cleaning prevents mineral accumulation in the heat exchanger. When experiencing ignition failures, start by checking gas supply pressure to ensure adequate fuel delivery. Clear any blocked air vents that prevent proper combustion. Inspect the igniter for damage or wear. If the igniter is faulty, replacement may be necessary to restore proper ignition function. These diagnostic steps will help you identify and address the most common Fogatti tankless water heater issues. Always consult your user manual for specific error code meanings and safety procedures. When you encounter an E6 error indicating overtemperature, there are specific steps to resolve this issue. First, check your inlet water temperature and ensure proper water flow through the system. The solution involves checking inlet water temperature, verifying water flow, and performing a simple reset by turning the heater off and back on again. Another common issue is the cold water sandwich effect, where you experience initial cold water followed by hot water. This can be resolved by adjusting water flow or installing a mixing valve. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing problems and ensuring optimal performance. The most important maintenance task is descaling your unit to prevent mineral buildup. Beyond descaling, regular filter cleaning and system inspection are essential. Professional maintenance should be performed annually to ensure all components are functioning properly. Adequate water pressure is essential for proper operation. Low water pressure can result in insufficient hot water, while excessively high pressure can affect the heater's performance and longevity. Proper gas line sizing is critical for optimal performance, especially during high-demand periods. Undersized gas lines can lead to insufficient heating capacity and poor performance. By addressing these common issues promptly and maintaining your unit regularly, you can ensure optimal efficiency and extend the longevity of your Fogatti tankless water heater.